Is it perfect? Of course not. It's perfect when you're selling it, right? Well, as we get more towards perfection, yeah, we won't be selling it, and yeah, the prices will go up, so get prepared. Start making some money with this. You're going to need it, okay? Just a little joke, maybe not so much of a joke. Paradigm Showcase, gold inversion. All right, we're all sitting there. Wow, this is wonderful. Look what this gold signal did. Look at this signal. Look what happened. Look at this. Look at this. And we're expecting fully for gold to do this. Well, look what gold did. Gold did this. Our first big inversion kick in the butt. That woke us up early. Okay, this shit still inverts. Excuse my French. Okay, what are we going to do? Well, we started looking at things, and we found out that this isn't as big a deal as it is with cycles. Any of you guys who work with cycles know that cycles can and will invert at a sneeze. The phone can ring, the cycle will invert. There's no rhyme or reason to it. That's why it was such a pain in the butt to use cycles to trade, even turns of a cycle. Well, in the case of planets, here's what we know so far. Over time, inversions of the data prediction occur, of the price prediction, on the average, only about 15% of the time. And they're not long-lived, a month or two. But they are, as you can see here, you can count upon them. Let me go back. They are an exact or close to exact mirror image. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. Taking it, you know it's inverted and flip it around, we still got a good price track all the way through into January. I hope you're getting the idea. If we know it's inverting, we stop and reverse, guys. That's as hard as it gets. We stop and reverse. Okay? These are all lessons we've learned along the way, live and session twice a week for over a year. Okay, so there's gold. Oops, let me go back next. Next, right. Thanks to the work of our internal think tank, which is Aaron's one of those other gentlemen, so is George, and meets once a week, we have observed that inversions tend to be seasonal. They only hit our data, planetary data, near the equinoxes and solstices, spring, summer, fall, and winter. So we know now if we're going into a solstice or an equinox, the next one being December 20th, we know now if we see a trend that's been established, we should be cautious, and trades recommended during that period of time, leading a couple weeks into the equinox and a couple weeks after. That's as hard as it gets. If we see it inverting, we call an inversion. We stop and reverse, we're back on track. So as a known issue, the precasted price projection line online you'll get will be changed and inverted as soon as inverted series is called live in Paradigm. You guys are getting the precasted price line identical to what guys in Paradigm will be doing. That's what you're paying for your subscription.